Now also notice our trend line is getting more narrow. You guys see it? Here,
Yes, sir.
here, here. It's getting heavier, 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 right?
Yeah, every time it gets close to that 440, I mean, the volume on the buy side just jumps.
Oh
So
yeah, yeah. Everybody's buying at 440 because they're all anticipating the pop of 440. That's why I said though, this is the fourth time it's gotten there. These buyers have got to start going, okay, man, this isn't any good anymore, right? Because the more times it touches, the weaker it will get. Again, this has to break through here because what's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen, you see this trend line I drew? The tighter this goes, the more dangerous it becomes for me because I'm holding in here. So when this comes down to this 440, I've got to make that quick decision again. Like, hey, is this going to pull or is this coming up? And you can see where it's starting to come through the trend line. See this here? I don't want that. It has to sit in here to give me a nice pull. So anyways, this has to sit down in here because every time this comes down here, I have to decide, okay, do I take the L? Do I let it work? Do I let it come back up to this state? And again, because I'm in here, I shouldn't be worrying this long and I shouldn't be in this trade this long, right? That's why I don't like entering at the wrong time. You enter at the wrong time, you have to start making too many decisions. You start making too many decisions because you're on the wrong side of the trade. It can get some of you guys into big trouble, right?